Good evening, everyone. Today we will present our third final exam on the English for Listening course. I'll present the topic that will address. I will give a brief overview of the company. Cementos Pacasmayo is a if the dedicate to the elaboration, manufacturing, and distribute of products. Its operation began on November 27th in 1957. Moving on, a business model. It is the description operation that the company would carry out according to which they determine the type, um, which is manufacturer, because it is responsible for the manufacture its product. Continuing with the entrepreneurial mindset. It is a person who is characterized by taking advantage of opportunities of observing the advantage of these opportunities. Now we will review the business plans. It is divided into parts. There are excerpt summary, company description, market analysis, customer analysis, product and service, market strategies, operation strategies, and finally planning. But whereas, bueno, it is driving document, its description, the noted of using its present of roadmap, it is useful of the long terms. Continuing with we continue with the smart vision, mission, and objectives. Mission. It is the great value of the universe towards sustainable growth of the benefits to client collaboration communities and the country. Vision to the learning company in providing construction solutions that anticipate our clients' needs and contribute to the progress of the country. Finally, the smart objectives set for the end of the years are increase salaries, a 10% increase on planets thanks to expenses of distribution channels and target formation. As for reduce carbon footprint, the project CO2 emission per cement will the reduction be 15 from the implement of alternative fuels and energy efficiency improvements. Continue with innovate sustainable product to eco efficiency product. The planning be introduced before June 2026, improving customer service. This consists it as 20 percent increase in customer satisfaction thanks to improvement in delivery, logistics, and digitalization of customer service. And finally, deliver human talent. This will upgrade be training 100 technologies and operation staff industry, subject environment sustainably used before September 25. That's all I have to say. Thank you for listening. I would like to introduce Jainik who going to address the topic and external analysis, microenvironment and microenvironment.
Hello, my name is Yannick. I will talk about the microenvironment of Cementos Pacasmayo. I will use the PEST analysis. The PEST analysis P is for political. The government invests in construction. This helps the cement industry, but political changes may stop some projects. E is for economic. The economic is growing slowly. High price affects building costs. When construction stops, cement sales go down. S is for social. More people live in the north of Peru. They need houses, roads, and buildings. This creates more demand for cement. T is for technological because Mayo uses new machines and green food. This helps reduce pollution and it also makes production more efficient. Porter 5 forces. Now I will talk about the microenvironment using Porter 5 forces. Competition high because Mayo has strong competitors like Unasem. They fight for the same customers. Price and products are very similar. New entrants low. It is hard to start a new cement company. This costs a lot of money and new license. Supplier Power Medium, Pacasmayo owns some raw materials, but is still pays high price for food and transport. Buyer Power High, big clients like construction firms want low price. They can choose between company. Substitute low, there are no grip or strong substitute for cement. Cement is still the best opinion for buildings.
Hello, Miss. My name is Ricardo Samir Rojas Alberca. I'm going to Spooks. Internet Analysis SWOT. Stretch. Strange. Leadership Portfolio. Ledian Prince and Peru. White High Riding. Weaknesses. High dependency on the Peruvian market. Market sensitive to local economic and political changes. Absence, absence by dice, rice, and raw material price. Opportunities: evasion in Latin America, growing demand for highly products, use of digital platform and delivery, long termination, strong, strong competition, Nestlé, Unilever, fluctuation in input prices, regular or fiscal changes, competitive straits, gas leadership, officing, production and optimize logistics, indispensing brand that compete of pricing, differential productos wide, products wide at, at, at adding value cultural at the attention to the Peruvian consumer, innovation and sustainability, investment in R&D new products, stretch, stretch focus, balances between, between innovation and loyalty, solid, solid presence in Peru, regional growth.
Teacher. My name is Andres Rosado. I'm going to present the following subtopics. Uh, Principles of marketing. In the point, in the first point, customer focus. Offer solutions tailored to each region of northern Peru. In the two points, value creations. It not only sells cements but also provides technical advice, training, and on-site support. In the three exchange, the customer receives more than just a product. They again trust, attentions, and additional benefits. In the four long-term relationships, build loyalty among hardware stores and construction forming wide programs like Free Packers and Maestro Constructor. In five, segmentations and positionings focuses on builders, hardware stores, and self-builders in the north. Positionations positioned in itself as leader in the regions. In the six, innovations develop more sustainable products and digital platforms to facilitate ordering and service. Um, Resources strategies. In the first point, ongoing training in safety, innovations, and leaderships. Next point, workplace wellness and physical mental health programs. Next point, inclusions, and local talent development initiatives. And the next point, a strong organizational culture based on values such as integrity, commitment, and excellence. And that's all. Thank you for your attentions.
Conclusion: Cementos Pacasmayo has strong experience in the construction sector. It offers cement and other materials that help build Peru. The company uses technology to reduce pollution and improving efficiency. It invests in clean machines and better production. The microenvironment shows rise but also good opportunities. Political change and the price are right. Growth and technology are positive. The company faces strong competition but keeps a good position. It competes wide on ASEP but is strong in the north of Peru. Pacasmayo has clear goals: improve service, innovate and grow. Its work to be sustainable and to offer more value to customers. Human resources are important. The company trains workers and promoters well-being and inclusion.